If your CW app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your CW app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your CW app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate CW. Click on the three dots to open the CW app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If your CW app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The CW app data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If CW is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete the CW app on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If CW app is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall CW and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The CW app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download the CW app again. Search for CW. Click on CW. Press the Get button to start downloading CW. Wait for CW to be downloaded and installed. Now your CW app should be installed. Now open your CW app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.